Hello, hello! Welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of Innistrad Crimson Vow. Let us get right into this. It's looking like at the front we have Adamant Will, Blood Petal Celebrant, Repository Scab, Nurturing Presence, Wolf Strike, Aim for the Head, Toxic Scorpion, Gluttonous Guest, Pyre Spawn, Lantern Bearer, which turns into Lantern Slift, Screaming Swarm, a Markov Purifier, a Soul Cipher board, which turns into Cipherbound Spirit. We have Geralf Visionary Stitcher. Okay, that might be going in a zombie deck. A Swamp. And then an advertisement and a blank token. That was awesome. I'll see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.